This Bosch line of countersinks is great for deburring and chamfering openings to pre-drilled holes, great for electrical, plumbing, and HVAC contractors. Bosch countersinks cut varied materials cleanly and accurately, with standard high-speed steel and super hard titanium-coated bits. These countersinks perform great in even the toughest materials. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compact size, big power. The PS21 supplies up to 265 N-pounds of torque. That's twice as much torque as the nearest competitor, so users can drill through wood, 22-gauge metal, plus quickly fasten or drive nuts, bolts, and screws. Number 2. Control the job. With a 5.6 inches head length and weight of only 1.8 pounds. The Bosch PS21 has optimized balance and control and is ideal for working in small spaces and overhead. It's easy to switch between a low gear of up to 350 RPM to a high gear of up to 1,300 RPM with 20 clutch settings to ensure ideal torque settings for the application. The Bosch PS21 is equipped with a variable speed trigger that helps users ease into the desired speed for optimum control in drilling and driving. Number 3. Small size with a big impact. The Bosch PS21 12V Max 0.25 inches hex impact driver features a compact build with a head length of 5.4 inches, making it ideal for fitting tight areas and narrow corners, weighing in at 2 pounds. The PS41 is well suited for continuous overhead work. Number 4. All the features you need. As powerful as it is compact, the Bosch PS41 impact driver packs a punch with high torque at 930 N-pounds. That power covers up to 80% of impact driving applications. The impact driver offers 2,600 RPM and a variable speed trigger for complete control, an easy-to-read fuel gauge, and a 3 LED light ring for use in low light conditions. Make this impact driver user-friendly. An ergonomic soft handle provides extended comfort and control, while bumpers on the side of the tool protect the work surface and prevent hand slipping, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.